Welcome to United Construction and HVAC Services LLC. We are your one-stop shop for all of your HVAC and construction needs. We specialize in residential and commercial HVAC installation and repair. This includes boilers, furnaces, central air, and mini-splits. We also do a lot of work with construction and renovation, general contracting for remodeling, build-outs, structural upgrades, the whole 9 yards. In addition, we have a team of boiler mechanics that are highly skilled and knowledgeable in all things boiler. They can service your boiler, they can repair your boiler, install a new boiler system. And on top of that, we are very aware of the latest refrigerants, including R32 and R454B, which is a very popular refrigerant that's being used more and more in the industry. And it's eco-friendly. So we're all about that. So if you're looking for a company that does both HVAC and construction, look no further. Give us a call today on 917-938-3668. Ask for Jay.